Back to another stream. I hope you guys are ready for another very interesting day. We did get some interesting economic data this morning. And honestly, from what we've seen so far, we're going to cover it. In my opinion, it's pretty bullish, dude. I mean, we're seeing this little reaction in the market here this morning. We did run up a little bit. We got sharked right back down. We have a little bit of a gap up here in the pre-market, and we've been selling off. But I mean, a lot of these RSIs here, I mean, they're getting into overcooked territory. You see the 5 minutes coming down. We did see it break 50, come right back down into that overcooked area. But if you think about what this data came out is and what it actually means, well, the first thing is I believe we had 264,000 initial claims in terms of the jobs report, and then which I believe was versus an estimate of 245. So more people filing for unemployment benefits. What do you need to see out of employment numbers in order to give the Fed the ability to either pause rate hikes or even start backing off later in the beginning of next year? Rising unemployment. All right, so that's one. Then what's the next thing? PPI, Producer Price Index. Well, what were the numbers? Well, when we come over here, PPI, 0.2% month over month increase. Expectation, 0.3. Core PPI, 0.2. Expectation, 0.3. Year over year, 2.3 versus expectation, 2.5. Core, 3.2 versus expectation, 3.3. All right. All of this data, in my opinion, is pointing towards bullishness. So it's kind of weird. So let's see what we get today. You love Gabe's video? That was a good one, dude. That was hilarious. Dude, Yahoo charts? How the fuck are you going to chart on Yahoo charts, bro? But again, guys, as you guys are filtering in here, you guys ripped the like button up yesterday. Make sure you guys do that again. It's another day in Print City. Let's go make some more money. Again, team. Oh, man, you guys are ripping it already. But yeah, I mean, looking at that data, it doesn't seem as if there's anything wildly terrible going on here. So we are selling off a little bit after that little rally up that we had yesterday, which was nasty, dude. I mean, my buys were like in here for the SPY. This was just a nasty play. So I hit it on the SPY. I hit it on ES. Let's see what we get today. I mean, NVIDIA slipping a little bit here. AMD looks pretty solid on the 5 minute. Let's throw this on the 3. This is probably a 48 retest here. Tessie kind of chopping around, not doing much here. Throw this back on the 3 minute or maybe even the 1 minute a little bit later. We got, okay. I kind of want Amazon up here as well. Amazon up a little bit in the pre-market. Facebook sharking a little bit here. SPY's just knifing, dude. There we go. I mean, let's see what we get. Will SPY premiums be up? What do you mean? I mean, CPI was yesterday, so I mean, they could easily settle down a little bit. We'll see what the market wants to do. I mean, again, it's only down 0.2% right now. You do have this level at 411.30 that we could easily come down and test before potentially running back up to this 413.70. But we do have some other key levels up here, guys. We have the 413.70, and then we have CPI high up here in purple at 414.9. Why is this not labeled anymore? Oh, there it is, CPI high. So I've labeled this out here for you guys just so that you guys can see it, just so we have this on our charts here. CPI high right there. Why is it moving backwards? Be better at life, CPI high. All right. Google's flying early. Is that a post-AI event? Oh, do they have an event? Maybe. I mean, that's definitely possible that they had a little bit of an event there and then they're popping off of that. Yeah, up 2.5%. That's definitely what it is. Let's see. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. And for those of you guys that are just filtering in here too, remember, everybody gets their first month completely free to the Trade 1348 platform. Trade1348.com, guys, at the absolute best place to go and learn to trade. Make sure you guys check that out. Scan the QR code. The link is in the top of the live chat, but I will throw you in it in there for you guys as well. Use code GAINZ, GAINZ. And you guys are good to go to hop in. SV, that masterclass last night was awesome. Thanks again, brother. If you're thinking about joining Master Tier, I highly recommend it. Tor, I appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, so last night in masterclass, and again, for all of you guys that still need to hop in there, just a little bit of what you're going to get with masterclass. You get morning streams with Gabe every single day, and then you get to watch him live trade on Wednesdays, which is incredibly powerful information for you guys to have, that you could watch somebody who is an absolute monster in the market every single day come in and actually trade. The other thing, we get midweek masterclasses with myself, which last night, I mean, we cover a wide variety of topics. We were doing thigh gap, traffic lights, futures, and a lot of different things. Last night, we did covered calls, cash secured puts, and running the wheel strategy, because a lot of you guys have been interested in that. And then we went on a little bit of a tangent and talked about all the wild things that you can do in the world of finance: basis trades, cross triangular arbitrage, the Black Scholes model, arbitrage with that. I mean, there was a lot of interesting things. Again, sometimes they're not going to be like things that I'm going to make long form videos about, but you guys are going to have the best understanding about markets and what you're actually trading than anybody else. Then you get the Sunday masterclasses as well. And again, the masterclass that we did last night with you guys, if you're like, you don't even have to go out and try to sell cash secured puts and cover calls. But I want you guys to understand, and this is very similar to what we were doing with the futures masterclass. You have to understand fully the instrument that you're trading. Because if you, let's say it like this, if I show somebody our wildly powerful traffic lights on the platform, the crosses, the algorithms, everything, but they don't know what options are or how they move and where to set up risk and things like that, then they're going to fail. Guaranteed they're going to fail because they don't know what they're trading and how these different derivatives move. You have a better understanding of the contract and the actual product that you're trading, you're going to have more success. But yeah, those of you guys not in master yet, whoo, we can go over Jade Lizards, but like, I'm never going to be doing Jade Lizards, bro. It's like, I don't even, I'd have to look it up to see what it, like, what the actual, like, what you have to sell in order to do it. Same thing with a butterfly. Like, that I'd actually have to go back and be like, where do you actually sell and buy the contracts? It gets complicated, but I mean, these are just things that are cool to know. You don't have to use them all the time. Next week, we'll probably go a little bit more in depth to the wheel strategy and covered calls with you guys. So again, all sorts of information in there. You get the new charts, you get thigh gap, you get all the new stuff that we're bringing in the master tier 2. You get every new product release first. You're a good teacher, STV. Thank you, Rick Rolf. I appreciate that, buddy. Been watching my TLT videos, makes all the sense in the world. Oh, that is the other thing, guys. The most recent video on my channel, I know you guys really, really, really enjoyed the TLT video that I put out last November. There's an update. So we have our first update since November of this TLT situation. Now, those of you guys that don't know what it is, I mean, the videos linked in that, the other videos linked there, you guys got to go watch that one. I mean, pay attention or pay a premium. The last time that TLT fired off was a 10,000% gain. For those of you guys that can't do math, every 1,000 turns into 100 grand. Every 10,000 turns into $1 million. So if this happens again, it's a very, very, very interesting situation that I want all of you guys to be aware of. And again, it helps to know these things for the market anyway going in. So again, you guys don't have to watch it if you don't want to. Pay attention or pay a premium. That video is gold. You brought it up last year. Oh, TLT. Oh, Jade Lizards. Yeah, I did. You were a friend that does iron condors. Too complicated for my blood. They're not. Once you understand what an iron condor is, it's really simple. So we don't have to do it right now, but what an iron condor effectively is you're selling a put and a call credit spread. So what it effectively does is it doubles the max gain and halves your max loss. Because if it's basically it's like a short covered strangle almost. You're like shorting the strangle, but it's covered, if that makes sense. So like strangle, you would go out of the money, out of the money. You would buy puts, buy calls. If you were to short the strangle, you would sell the puts, sell the calls, but you would never do that because that would be selling naked puts and selling naked calls. So in order to cover it, you would then have to go out and also, if you're selling those options, then you then buy some as well. Spy's really knifing here in the pre-market. Hello, team. Look at this. 411.30. Oh, Rick and Ralph, are we going to get our 411.41? We going to turn old resistance into new support? I mean, my level's 411.30. Let's see. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Spy, what are you doing? Slipsville over here, huh? What are you going to do to the dads of the Weeble comments? You don't want to know. You don't want to know. All right. You're on AMD on the 3-minute. Me too. I saw that one this morning and I was like, I like this. So we got a level down here at 97.25. Maybe today's the day that we see 100. We got the 99.94 today. That was nasty. Dude, I got to start selling cover calls in my AMD position. It's too big. It's too big, bro. I need to start like something's got to give. Yeah, I do like AMD. Like I have a lot. Like you guys don't realize I have a lot of it. Because remember, I bought it at like 12. So I thought the data was good. It is good. It's very, okay, so this move down in the pre-market here is very similar in my mind yesterday to this in just terms of overall price action. Knifing, CPI was good. Why are we knifing? PPI and jobs report is signaling bullishness. Now, I believe last week when less people were filing for unemployment benefits than previously thought, we popped. So this could be off of the jobs data. PPI is kind of not really moving things around, I don't think, in this situation here. Why wouldn't you? It's free money. Because I have to change the account. Well, I have to like call people and be like, hey, fucking make sure I have options on it. And then I have to like call them and do it, which is a hassle, bro. It's annoying, but it is what it is. It is what it is. All right, team. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. Let's make some money today. Welcome back to Print City, everybody. Remember, everybody gets their first month free to the platform. You'd have to be a real dum-dum not to take advantage of that opportunity. That's not going to be around forever. 1 month free. Come join us in Print City. It costs you nothing to join. Nancy could get interesting. Nancy's on the 1 minute here. I could throw this on the 5. I could throw it on the 3. I'll probably leave it on the 3 here. Tessie, I believe I have that on the 3. I nailed Tesla, dude, yesterday. So you guys saw me hit the little baby Tesla move to the upside here, and then I was all over this. This is a 233% Tesla gain. I mean, if you guys go follow me on Twitter, I posted that over there a few times. You guys saw the shorts that I made yesterday about how on that one SPY trade, I don't know, I was up like $1,500. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, I mean, 1,400. I mean, it's great, but like, it's nothing wild. The Tesla trade was really good. We had a nice 37% on the SPY in the morning. Really good day yesterday, man. Really good day. So let's see if we come down and test this 411.30 before we potentially move back up. I mean, this thing's cooking on the 3, getting cooked on the 5, definitely cooking on the 1. We'll see. We will see what happens. We got about what, 18 minutes to go until open. Fuck yeah. And 40 likes away from 100 already. Thank you, team. I appreciate that. But yeah, make sure that you guys are going to watch those videos. Gabe put out a great one last night as well. I put one out yesterday. I mean, again, you guys got to pay attention or pay a premium. If you miss TLT, you're going to really be sad. I'm just telling you right now. And you have to understand it. You can't just you're not going to be able to just hit it randomly. Like, I'm not going to tell you when it's firing off. I will go silent. I will make this video series for you guys so that you guys have all the information that you need in order to identify when it's about to fire off. I've told you already, rate cuts, bond buying. What have we seen? Well, the Treasury is about to start buying bonds in 2024. Ding, ding, ding. There we go. And then the second part is potential rate cuts. Now, it depends on how aggressive those are going to be. If it goes jumbo and we do 75 basis point rate cuts, I mean, it's probably going to fire off, dude. And then we tie it into the banking situation and how, again, it's just the Fed telegraphing their moves and telling you exactly where the money's going to go, just like when Powell said the word tapering of asset purchases back in November of 2021. What happened to the market a couple of weeks later? It topped. Bing, bang, boom, done. No more. The Fed is going to tell you. It's not going to happen very often, but like I said in that video, there's a couple of things that you guys need to see. Like, most of the financial media and the news that comes out is bullshit, and you don't need to listen to it. But you have to read it because there are some of those key nuggets of information. That thinks crypto is about to crash. Let's see. Your SPY trade off the 200 EMA. The RSI MACD were not in sync, though. Can you touch on this? What 200 EMA SPY trade? I didn't have any 200 EMA SPY trades yesterday. I don't think. On what time frame? Oh, this? Oh, that's just level bounce. I think it was this call position back to the upside. Yeah, that's just level bounce. So you see it come down here, consolidate, boom. So this is literally, it's not blindly buying off a level here. So basically what we've done is we created a new level here at 411.50. The 200 EMA, which is going to act as support as well, is right underneath it, sitting at like 411.45. This is a great area to be a buyer, especially after knife. I love this. I love really, really aggressive moves and a little bit of consolidation here where the risk is super tight. Those are some of my favorite trades. It's very similar to this as well, where I nailed this thigh gap trade to the upside. This is a nice quick one in and out. I believe this was the 37% SPY trade that I showed you guys yesterday. That was a good one. Yesterday, the 5 minute. Yeah, Gabe called that reversal in his stream yesterday. You guys see how Gabe and I are in sync? He's on stream, I'm on stream. I'm not listening. I can't, we're in the same wavelength. Yeah, so that was just a level bounce. That's all that was. Just a nice, clean level bounce. Nancy slippage. AMD. I mean, you're going to if you give me another gem today, AMD, that's going to be just so fun. I would love that, man. Today's Thursday? All right. So after Wednesdays, I like to size it down a little bit, just a little bit. Because I like playing next week contracts. And as you get closer to like Friday, basically on Fridays, if you still buy next week's, they're still going to move like a weekly. So I'll size down on it, keep the dollar amount risk the same on all the trades. So that's probably what I'll do, unless I go for not this Friday, not next Friday, the next Friday's expiration on the day trades. You did a live trade on it? Dude, I think we were probably in the same trade then. We were probably in the same trade because I hit that one too. That was nasty. But let's see here. Dude, we got over 100 of you guys in here that haven't hit the like button yet. Keep running those numbers up, team. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. Spread this stream out to more people. Help retail investors learn for once. There are so many people out there that, I mean, probably you guys are still listening to, that they just have no idea what they're talking about, man. Okay, here's the other thing. Here, let's go over this really quick. Who's going to explain to you the Black-Scholes model, cross-triangular arbitrage, basis trades, stat arb, complex financial theory, how banks actually work, how financial institutions actually work, managing money from the people who actually do it? Who's able to explain to you those things? Nobody, except for me. All right, man. Like, seriously, you come in here, you listen to people that are trying to talk about these concepts and they don't know what they're talking about. Even in trading, there are people out there, like Gabe was saying yesterday, that are charting on fucking Yahoo line charts. You're being led to the slaughter. Do not let that happen to you because you're going to end up in tears. It happens every time. That's your warning. Let's see. Good morning. Stopped in to like the video before hitting the master stream. There you guys go. But again, guys, we're going to be here making money all the time. Let's get you guys on board. Bro, there are instances in finance too. There are even things that I'm not going to say. It's like they don't exist anymore, but it's like there's so many wild things that it's just like I see things and it's like, okay, here's the one thing. And I've said this before to you guys about the banks. The banks. When everybody was like the banks were tanking, everybody was like, yay, yay, yay. Fuck the banks. You know what happens if the banks fail? Everybody's fucked. Now, there were people, not the ones that I know, but there were people that were just aggressively overshorting bank stocks during that time. Do you know what you didn't hear? Oh my God, they're manipulating the bank stocks. That's bad. It's self-entitled, narcissistic bullshit, dude. People will always underestimate, like, it's a hard way to explain things, but pearl necklace strangles. Yeah, I mean, guys, you guys have heard me go on those long tirade rants of just like arbitrage and Black-Scholes model. Like, we will keep doing it. Macroeconomics, like explaining things in a way that you guys just like have never seen before. Spy trying to Wreck-It Ralph. I swear to God, if I go to this bottom of this 5-minute candle or this, I'll go to the 1 minute so it's easier. If this is 411.41, I'm going to lose my fucking mind. Okay, good. It was 411.46, bro. You keep shorting regional banks? Yeah, but you're not like over shorting them. Learned so much from you. Thank you, Daily Taylor. I appreciate that. I love you guys. SUV rants is when I learn the most. They're just natural, dude. I just like start talking and saying shit. And then the other thing that I hinted at in the video, in the TLT video, is that I didn't want to go too in depth with, because then you get into like the it's not conspiracy theory, but it's kind of irrelevant information about the close knit ties in the relationship between big banks and the government. Um, if you know that these relationships out there exist, should they? Well, I don't know. That's up for debate. I mean, who cares? Think what you want. But if you know that these relationships exist and you know that certain actions are going to be taken by both parties due to these relationships, you then can make money based on that. In this situation here, JP Morgan takes over all the deposits, insured and uninsured, at First Republic Bank. What is that? Well, it's a lot of bonds. Okay, what happens next? Well, the Fed has to make sure that JP Morgan doesn't get fucked. What do? Well, JP Morgan's fine right now, but if we hit a 1 quarter period of recession in Q4 and then they come back and start buying those bonds up, providing demand in the bond market, while they're also probably going to be cutting rates in probably the beginning or middle of 2024, what happens? JP Morgan saved. It's a bailout, bro. It's not like a bailout, but it's bailing out the big boys to making sure that they don't have issues. Because if they have issues, the market will get obliterated. Regional banks, yeah, the market will screw around, but it's not like they are controlling a quadrillion dollars of notional exposure in derivatives. And if, again, we touched on this as well, if a lot of these bonds, these treasuries, are being used as collateral, what happens when the values go down? Oops, margin call, liquidation, markets go crazy. You got to think. You got to think. All right, guys, 9 likes away from 100. Thank you, team. I appreciate it. Nancy bouncing off that 3-minute 200. We got Spy trying to get a little movement here. Trying to get a little bit. Wreck-It Ralph, I love you, buddy. Yeah, I didn't realize that was you on Twitter, and then I figured it out, and I was like, ah, cool, that's you. I gotta follow you. I gotta do that. All right, let's get this QR code back on the screen for everybody's first month free. Let me adjust the camera a little bit here. Hold on. Oop. That's probably good right there. Hi. Hello. All right, team. So first, I mean, we have our levels on the SPY from the 5-minute here. We've got 411.28, basically 411.30 and 413.70. Above or below would be very interesting. And then we have CPI, a high sitting up here in purple. I don't know why this is all right. No, fuck off. I don't know why I made it a horizontal ray. It's just, it kind of ended up that way. So CPI high. There you go. Who wouldn't have thought to think? Does that mean if the Fed has to raise rates, the TLT move will be delayed? You should turn your AC on now before it's on, and it's cold in here. Well, yes and no, Cody. But remember, the whole thesis of it was end of this year, beginning of next year was when it would. So I probably won't make another update video on the TLT until Q4. So that video that's out right now is probably going to be, unless something crazy happens. But I don't really expect to have any TLT updates for you guys until Q4. So that's what you guys have right now. Go learn, go make sure that you understand the play a little bit better, or pay a premium and miss it. AMD 9818. Is it running in the pre-market? No. Ideally on AMD, what I want 200 EMA on the 3-minute test, or 97.25 and then bounce. That's ideally what I want on AMD. Get a little retest and boom. If it's gonna go. We can very true, so there'll be a good amount of waiting until Q4. Thank you. Yeah, so that's the thing with macro, and I've said this before. If you're gonna use any type of like macroeconomics in order to dictate a trade, one, if you're gonna try to play weeklies on it, you might as well just throw money out the window, because you'd have to time a long event, like an event that takes a long time to play out and develop, in a week. It's like it could take 2 years, which it has been. I mean, we've been talking about it. coming out of recession TLT. Yep. People just don't get how big it is. And I told you, so I told you guys in the master stream that the TLT trade is going to get crowded this time. So there are things to look for, and there's don't say it, anybody. I don't want everybody fucking knowing. But there is another thing that you can trade. There's actually 2 or 3 other things that you can trade off the move. Google Strong? Yeah, it is. I think they had an event this morning. Yeah. The AI event that you guys were talking about. All right, let's see what we get here. We got 5 minutes until the ding ding. We just hit 100 likes. Guys, we got over 100 of you guys. 132 of you guys in here have not hit the like button yet. What are you doing? What are you doing, team? Costs you nothing. You just click it once. Tesla and SPY back to home base. We will see, buddy. When else TLT supposed to do its thing? Go watch the 2 TLT videos. I'm not going to sit here and do the whole video again for you guys right now, but I've made 2 of them for you guys. Pay attention or pay a premium. We got money to make today. We got 4 minutes to go. Hit the like button, freeloaders. Join the community. There you go. There you go, Life Wisdom. Yeah, I'll throw the link here for you guys too to the to Trade 1348. There you go. Free trial with code GAINS. Nancy's slipping here. I like that. Okay, right now NVIDIA has my attention a little bit more on a potential reversal. Let's see. Trace Minutos Moss until the ding ding. SPY slowly moving back up. I would love this thing. I would love to see it retest CPI high. That would be very interesting. Morning, my friends. Currently getting ready to head to Disneyland. Oh, fun. But I wanted to see what happens here at Market Open. Awesome, AR guy. Hopefully your trip to Disneyland is fun. Is that California? Disneyland is California, right? And Disney World is Florida. That's how it goes. Google, fucking, oh my Lord. That thing could just bait and switch all day. You're in puts? That can't happen. Why are you in puts? Is it a technical move? All right, let's see. You're paying attention. Who can I pay my premium to? Oh boy. Overnight swing. When'd you buy it at close? I mean, it's kind of very similar thesis to like what I did down here. You just like had to tick it overnight and then be like, hopefully it prints. Hopefully you got time on it too, if that's what you're going to do. All right. We got this open, right? Yeah, cool. Wait, can I mark this? Can I like mark it up? Does anybody? Drawing tools. Yeah, I can. Wait. Whoa. I don't like that. That's stupid. Line. Can I just like, no, why does it have to be this fucking broker? You wonder if Robinhood would allow options 24/5? I hope not. I mean, they're going to jack everybody on the spread. Think about it like this. Less volume, wider spreads. What is the market maker doing? Think about it like this. If Robinhood allows 24-hour trading on single stocks, nobody's doing that. I mean, maybe you'll get like Robinhood people that are like, I'm going to stay up all night and make money all night long. You're not. What you're going to do is you're going to get absolutely booty clapped by the spreads from the market makers, and they're just going to nickel and dime you all night. All night long. Ding, ding, ding. Market open. Here we go, team. All right, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Let's get after it. Let's see here. All right, stonks. Let's see what we get here. AMD, Nancy slipping, Spy slip slip. Let's see. You in this booty flat? No, master stream's happening. Gabe's computer was just being being a bit silly. Oh, spy knife. Let's see. Facebook's 4 hour. Not yet. I'm not. No. All right. Here's the 4/11/30. Here we go. There's the tap. There's the slip. Why are they selling this, dude? AMD trying, Nancy getting fucked. This is just cooking down. Like, what are they doing with this? Where's the 5 minute? What are they doing? What are they doing, bro? And we got 410.42, but this is a bit interesting here. That's a big fuck you candle for like no reason. All right, let's see. Let's see what we got here. Wait, what? Um, hold on. Hold on. Let's see what they do with this thing here. I mean, let's see if it can reclaim 411, but this does not look great. The reason is more sellers, less buyers. Thanks, bro. Thanks, dude. And it came back above 411. Let's see if we can see this little bounce here. Yeah. Let's see. Microsoft getting slaughtered, Nvidia getting slaughtered, AI theme. Yeah. This is a big boy move on the SPY here. Like, why? Oh, AMD's coming down to the 3-minute. Oh, yeah, there it is. Yeah, that does look interesting there. Well, it's eating it. Well, it's eating it. KRE looks scary. Fuck. Missed it. Oh, no, maybe not. VIX is at 1807. Yeah, that's interesting. Where's Tessie? Oh, hello. Nancy, hello there. I haven't traded NVIDIA in a bit. NVIDIA looks interesting on a potential thigh gap move. Let's see what AMD wants to do. Let's see. AMD sharking around. Whoa. And just sharking. Selling a little here. SPY trying to move back up a little. Let's see. Let's see. Right at the 200 there. Let's see. SPY trying to get a little move back up here. AMD sharking around. Let's see what it wants to do. No, sharky shark. Oh, hello. Google almost up 5%. Yeah, that's interesting. AMD is just fucking around at this 200 here. What's that? Oh, Tessie with the move. Let's see. Tesla test VWAP on the 13 and the 3. Ooh, that's it. Let's see if SPY can get back above 411 here. That's going to be the key. SPY above 411 is the key there. All right, let's see what we got. AMD's got to break 98. It's not. It's just fucking around. It's holding this 3-minute, though. Nah, that's good. Shark. Let's see. SPY back above. Let's see here. Ooh, big shark on AMD. There you go. Charge point? It's probably not for me, man. SPY trying to move a little. Okay. All right, let's see. SPY moving. Let's see if we can get above this 13 here. All right. Here comes AMD. There you go. Let's see. You think Tyson bottomed? I'm not touching that thing after the amount of volatility that was on there. Not for me. All right. SPY's got to break this 3-minute 13, 411.50 in order to really get going. AMD could get spicy here. We'll see. It's just perfect test of that level that we had. Perfect test. Let's see, what does ES look like? Let's see. ES got to get above 4137.75 in order to continue. You got 30 seconds left on these candles here. That's 411.30 right there. Let's even get a blast offer if this gets sharked. Where's Nancy? Ooh, that's getting there on the 3. All right. No, Spy couldn't get above yet. Where's Tessie? Sharked off the 3-minute 48. Spy coming back down to 4:11:30. All right, let's see what we get here, folks. I think Weeble's glitching out today. Yeah. Yeah, because I keep having to refresh to see new prices, I think. Yeah, I keep having to refresh to see new prices. Huh. See, I usually like these NVIDIA moves. It's just wicking so hard. Baba? I'll take a look at Baba. That's a chase. You're chasing that now. But that was a good one if you caught it on the 1-minute traffic light. But Baba's ripping there. Wow. Ooh, Baba's been on a mission here. Let's see. All right, guys. Ooh, we're 5 likes away from 150. There we go. Also, I'll throw that link in the live chat for you guys, too, for everybody to get their first month free to the Trade 1348 platform. There you guys go. Oh, my NVIDIA. Holy shit. Oh, I mean, dude, all right. NVIDIA, you have my attention. AMD holding at this level again. NVIDIA, you got my attention here, pal. Jesus Christ. Got your 1% on that move up and done for the day. Bada bing. There you go. Bro, look at this. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. Come on. Kill it more. Stop. Just fucking kill it, bro. Give me a nice, easy, low-hanging fruit trade. I want it to be down over 1% when I do this. No. Kill it. Kill the market. That's a new low on the SPY. That's a big new low on the SPY. 410.42, the daily level. All right. One more time. AMD doesn't give a fuck. It's just hanging out at the level. Nancy getting killed though. Yeah. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. Let's see. I know Gabe and I are probably looking at the same fucking thing right now. Dude, it just keeps dying. What is going on here, team? Jesus. I mean, we do have a level down here. You fuck? Hold on. All right. Do you have any data at 10? No. All right. Let's see. No, right back down. Okay. He killed Nancy. All right. AMD doesn't give a fuck, dude. I love it. Look at this thing. AMD gives 0 fucks. Weeble's really slow. I don't know what it is. Hold on. I'm gonna try to refresh it. I don't know why this thing's being so slow. What's Nvidia doing right now? Trying. It wants a traffic light. Is this fucked up for some reason? Are you guys having issues? It just doesn't look like these premiums are moving correctly. Yeah, I don't, dude. You guys see me? I'm still going off of the old Weeble. Like, you know, when I show you guys the percentage gains, it's still the old stuff. I mean, NVIDIA's got more meat on the bone, but it's tracking more with the SPY than AMD is. AMD doesn't give a fuck. You got a minute or so left on these candles. SPY is trying. All right. See if AMD can hold 98 here. AMD making an attempt. All right. Hold on. All right. Yeah, looking for a scale out on AMD here if it ticks up a little. Yeah, that probably got it. Nope. No, let's see. Yeah, all right. Got my scale out on AMD. That was good. Moving a stop to break even. See if it can break this 98.76 high. SPY just chopping, doing fuck all. Yeah, I'm up 10, 11% on some next weeks. That's pretty good. I don't know. Want it to break. Have a stop at break even. Weeble's being a little bit fucky today. So we'll see what happens there. That's two good AMD trades. AMD up 26% on the port. Holy shit, dude. What did you do? I just want to see if it has the juice. It looks like it does. SPY knifing. AMD comes down to this level and chills. SPY, I mean, still kind of fucking around. NVIDIA is coming right back down. But if AMD can hold up in here, you might have some fun. Really needs to break 98.75, though. That's the key. That's the key. Or they stop me out in profit and I just leave and we're done. Yeah, they might have taken that. Hold on. No, still in it right now. They took it. That's fine. All right, it's about to be 10 a.m. Let's see what we get. Yeah, this is just some weird price action today, dude. Very, very, very strange. 112% on an Amazon swing. Chad, monster. All right, 10 a.m. Here we go. I don't hate Nvidia down here. I really don't. I mean, SPY just like kind of not. There it goes. ES didn't hit a new low though. ES just came down, tapped the previous low. SPY looks like it made a new low there. Where's Tesla? Okay. All right, Nancy, what do you want to do? AMD trying. If AMD breaks, Nvidia will probably follow, depending on what the market does here. ES looks to be melting. Nah, no. ES is just consolidating at the lows here. It hasn't broken the low. SPY did, but ES didn't. Which, for those of you guys that don't know, ES is the S&P futures. So you can look at that as a nice little metric of what things are actually doing. There's a new low. ES new low by a tick. AMD didn't do it. Nvidia sharking back down. ES coming back up a little. Nothing crazy though. Nvidia just getting hammered. Look at this. Here it goes again. That's new low, new low. Huh. All right, SPY. ES peeking a little here off that little flash of the low. AMD fucking around. Another retest there, dude. There's a 48 test on AMD. Let's see. Ooh. Nancy slipped hard there. Nancy getting killed. AMD coming down. SPY, nothing. Bro, NVIDIA is getting booty clapped. Holy shit. Look at that thing. Look at that. AMD. Mom, I'm bored again. Dude, I know. SPY's doing 0. I mean, it's just chop, 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 chop. Wait, how big has this been? I mean, technically it's done it, but like. It's an interesting move. NVIDIA is just getting touched where it doesn't want to right now. This is big. This thing could just keep going. I mean, it just broke yesterday's low off of the CPI tank. AMD is still showing some decent signs of strength. It's SPY new low. NVIDIA. Diana's live in Masterclass. She's whispering meta into your ears. Oh boy. Oh boy. Don't get too excited over there, team. You guys got to focus on trading as well. Don't get too excited over there. All right. So it slipped a low quick, bounced up pretty fast. I'm just watching ES here to see if he can get above some of these levels, and it just can't. Tesla's trying to stay up. Yeah, Tessie's looking okay. SPY just hates its life right now. Just hates it. Still don't hate AMD here. Still needs to get a break of 98.76. SPY would need to turn around in order for that to happen. You're still sitting at the 410 level here, though. Here it comes. Nope. ES new low? No. Low on ES is 4122. We're at 4124. Oh, did it break? Hold on. What the fuck is going on? Am I in crackland today? I might be in crackland today. Am I looking at the wrong fucking thing? No, I don't think so. Why is the SPY getting clapped? Honestly, with the data that's come out, don't know. Could be off of the bank stuff that we saw this morning. Here comes Nancy a bit. Crackland. That's where I'm sitting. Crackland. SPY trying to get a little juice. What's him? Thanks. Boring. I know, dude. Nothing crazy. I mean, you could have caught the nice little rim down here. Let's see if AMD can hold 98. That's been a pretty key level today. I mean, the buyers are there, dude. You just got to see if they're going to take it higher. It needs help from the SPY. Everything does. Nvidia's getting killed. I don't know. It's coming back. Back above that that yesterday low. Dixie. Kashkari came out and said he was more hawkish than before. Why? Like, Neil, shut the fuck up. Nvidia 300 next week? Wouldn't be surprised. Robinhood limited you to 3 day trades. You need something else to let you day trade? All right. Here is going to be lesson times with STV. You ready? Hey, bud. You are a misinformed retail investor, just like a lot of people. Now, it's not your fault, but it's still a really stupid fucking mistake. If you're on Robinhood, which I don't know why, but they don't follow the rules that are actually out there for some reason. The rule is that if you are in a cash account and you have less than 25K in your account, you can make as many day trades a day as you want, as long as you're trading with settled cash. With a margin account, if you have less than 25K, then you can only make 3 day trades per week. Now, it's up to you. If you want to day trade more than 3 times per week, have a cash account. If you want to be restricted by PDT, have a margin account with less than 25K. Okay? Cool. Very simple rule. I'm so shocked that people still don't know this. I've made shorts about it. I've made a lot of content about that. All right, there goes SPY a little, but it hasn't done anything. There's a rim. Nancy peeking. Now AMD's got its head in its ass. What the Yeah, here comes SPY a little. Here comes ES. Here comes SPY. I'm gonna play with something. AMD Flash 98 there coming back down. Nvidia's looking all right. SPY's fucking around. Dude, this is just crackland today in the market. Just what is dude? What is going on? What is going on today, bro? This is insane. Let's see. Thanks, SCV. No problem, buddy. Waller speaking. Yeah, but that's the. Oh, right back down. Dude, AMD just got booty. Hold on. What's going on with AMD here? Hold up. Wait a minute. Did Nvidia get sharked too? I mean, not as bad as AMD. That looks like a news candle. That was big. Hold on. Yeah, that was a news candle, I think. I don't know what's going on with it, but that is out of nowhere. Big move. SPY looking like it wants new lows. Let's see. Eating its way back up a little. This is so slow, dude. You're up 7.36% done on the day. SPY 412 puts. Good shit, bro. Oh, wait, I can't have that there, I don't think. New lows, almost. New lows. Was it? No, I wouldn't have been able to get it on that. Bouncing a little. All right, let's see. Being up 7.36% on the day, or 7.3% on the day, though, is no joke, bro. Congrats. Let's see. You call BS on Tesla? What did Tesla do? It looks really similar to yesterday on that 3-minute traffic light that I nailed for 230 something percent, man. I mean, that was pretty dirty. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in and make sure that you guys are taking advantage of that 1-month free trial to the platform up there. Trade1348.com, the best place to come and learn how to trade, man. All right, let's see. Nancy coming back up. AMD, that news candle was interesting. Oh, I didn't even see anything on this. That was just big ass sellers coming in saying, fuck you. Okay, the other thing about this too is Nvidia is just wicking yesterday's low. It has not yet on the 5-minute got a candle close down below. If it does, spaghetti-o, but if it keeps bouncing off of here, that could be interesting. We'll see. Kashkari always reminds me of the mummy. He reminds me of Playboy Cardi because his name is Kashkari. Who is calling me right now? Hold on. Bro, the fucking people that have stolen money from me are just causing me so many fucking headache issues. I'm getting the money back, but, like, fuck them. Maybe I'll just go on a tirade and then just, like, start, like, aggressively fucking over everybody that's just tried to, like, screw me over in the last year. How about that? Just get the camera footage, do all the other nonsense, and just say, "Fuck you." How about that? Maybe we do that. I'll just call up my boys, the Wolf, and we'll just go to work. Let's see. Masterclass, you're back. There you go, team. Keep smacking that like on the way in. Let's do it. Baba, fucking what a gem there, bro. Let's see. There's SPY. Let's see here. Hold on. Wait, what is this? What price is that? There. Cool. All right, what are we gonna get here? One more time. Let's see here. Wait, I don't even have a. Hold on. I thought I put that there. Wait, that would be. Hold on. God, they're making this so difficult for me. I think no, right there. Okay, cool. What did you miss on the 5-minute SPY? Thigh gap reverse, dark light. Arthur, you bought calls. Was it too soon? I mean, you drilled it, bro. No, you crushed it here. You crushed it, man. Congratulations. ES just wicked on the 3-minute. Yeah, I'm looking at it on the 1. It's coming back down a little bit. You might retest. So there's a range that you can retest here. It's right around like 4127, 412750, and then the 412. Like, because you can see the wicks coming up on the 1 minute. It's just like test, reject, test, reject, test, reject. Flashes through, reject. I mean, let's see what we get here, but this could get interesting. Oh, you got out when Parabolic Star went back to red. Then yeah, it might have been a little bit too early. But again, if you're not at, like, I don't know what loss you had on it, and depending on how much time you had on those contracts, you could have you could have probably stayed in there. I mean, if it was just chopping around at these lows here, you're probably fine. Let's see if it retests this 13 and then think. You nailed AMD calls. Yeah, this one I hit. I think it was this candle I hit off this right back up. Nice scale out, then got stopped, then hit it again up here. I mean, I was just flipping this thing. It was being a bit annoying, but yeah, let's see if SPY gives us a little testy test here. Like, where's the 13? 410.60. Tesla may get some momentum on the 3. If it's above the 200, ooh, down. Yeah, that looks really, really, really similar to what we did yesterday on it. To the downside. Let's see if SPY comes down and gives us a test. This could be blast off time. We'll see. Needs to get a little retest here, I think, and then I think you could be good to go. Nancy Shark. Tesla following through. I think it is. Yeah, there it goes. Watch. I mean, this is the fake level, the 8 a.m. candle. You just wicked that. I mean, you could come down to 166.79. That was all right. SPY slipping a little, but not enough for anything aggressive. Where's Nvidia getting eaten up? Again, SPY would need to come down and fully retest this 3-minute 13, I think, in order for it to continue blasting. It may not, though. I mean, you could just shoot to 411.28. AMD on that 200 QQQ looking interesting. Oh, where on the 5 on AMD? Yeah, it's chilling here. This does not look great. There it is. Wow. That was dirty. All right. There was the test. Back down. Retesting here. Ooh, no, that's pretty big. Interesting. Nancy got killed. AMD got killed. Tessie didn't move with it. That's an interesting one. Candle close. Candle close. Yeah, I mean, let's see what we get. Nancy back down to the lows. SPY back up a little. See what it does. Shark. Let's see. No, this isn't looking good for SPY here. Watch out. That does not look great. Let's see, though. AMD's at a blue pill on the 5. Yeah, that would make sense. Yeah, NVIDIA cracked lows that... Whoa, that was big. Dude, they hate this NVIDIA move. They no likey this. Oh, my God. All right. When is... Hold on. When's this? Wednesday, May 24th. Cool. Let's see here. All right, let's see what we get here. Dude, NVIDIA's just getting booty clapped. SPY, teetering, little retest. Let's see. Show me yesterday's low on SPY. Where's, bro? 408.87 would be nasty, like nasty on that. Let's see if it can slip this the low of this wick here. You could be in for some fun. You might get it. Here comes SPY a little. There it goes. Let's see if it's going to get down there. ENTT Trader Joe play. Never heard of it. The premiums are probably terrible. All right. NVIDIA still getting killed. Dude, NVIDIA could end up at 281 here. The top of the range on the daily. Look. NVIDIA could end up at the top of the range on the daily here. I mean, the 13's at 281.60. That's possible. That's extremely possible there. Still going down. Look at this. Let's see. PSAR's green, our side. Where? Spy at a level. Well, you have to be patient. You can't just say, "Oh, this one indicator is doing this." You have to use some context as well. Where is the spy right now? It's in the oh shit zone. Like this thing could easily come knife new lows and then you're fucked. Nancy's getting killed. Let's see. Nvidia earnings next week. I don't know. I mean, Nvidia's been an interesting one. Spy's just kind of knifing for what I would say almost no reason here. So let's see if it ticker. Yeah, here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Nope. It's very close. It's very close to breaking down hard. Let's see if it gets it. Yeah, here it is. Bro, come on. Let's see. All right. Market. What are you going to do? 412.42 in the next hour. Okay, Jason, you can relax a little bit there, pal. Relax. It's got to come down a little bit more to get the bounce. Like you'll probably test these lows and then you'll get it. Nvidia's still going, not coming up for air at all. There it is. There's that break on ES. All right. Spy trying to push down. It got bought up right from that level here. Mark my words, 412.42. Jason, relax. Stop. We don't need any of these weird predictions in here, pal. Sorry. Nancy, death candles. Let's see what we got. Cool. Here comes the spy. All right. $5 contract same day. Oh, so you're gambling. So that's what you're doing. You're just gambling. Oh, all right. I get it now. You're just gambling. Mark my words. Bro, why do you do that? You realize that nobody in the live chat like gives a shit, right? Like it's not like we care. And it's kind of just like annoying. Stop. You're not even saying why. You're just saying it's going to go. And it's like, all right, pal. Cool. All righty. I mean, I don't hate it. I don't hate a SPY reversal here. What I do hate is screaming price targets that it's going to happen in a certain amount of time. That I don't like at all. 0% of me enjoys any of that. SPY to level. Nancy trying to come up for air a little bit, but nothing crazy. Here goes the SPY. Jason, you might get it. It's 3. All right, let's see. Here it comes. Low key though. What I mean, is that just the 200? It's basically just the 200 EMA. Again, I mean, there's no real reason for this thing to be doing what it's doing right now. I mean, this is just ripped really quickly. Let's see if it gets a little bit of a retest here, comes back down, and then starts that move back up throughout the rest of the day. I would not be surprised if you got a little shark here and then right back up. Let's see how this plays out. Thank you, 1348 crew. No problem, Gio. Remember, everybody gets their first month free on trade1348.com. There you guys go. The absolute best place to come and learn to trade. Use code GAINZ, GAINZ, and you get your first month free. So if it slips 411 down here, you might get another 13 test. But who knows? Let's see. I don't know. There's a shark. Sharky, sharky. All right, let's see. Now, golfing time. There you go, Wrecker Ralph. 3% on the port. Let's see how the afternoon goes. Love the afternoons. There you go. Keep it simple. There's 411. I mean, you might test this wick. 411.93. It will not slip the way Tesla's moving. Don't be so sure. Tesla can easily get rejected from here. No problem. Still holding 411 though. Not for long. Nancy Shark. Come on, Spy. Do a little bit of a 13 rim here on the 3-minute. Nope. No likey. Spy, no likey. What level would I look for puts on QQQ? Nothing now after the market's already sold off like this. Why are you hunting for one specific thing? I mean, you could play it off the 200 here, right back down, stop above. Right now, though, I'd be looking for calls on it. I mean, you have this test. You've tested this 200. It gets above there. That could be interesting. Here comes the Spy a little. Come on. Nancy just chilling. I mean, if it can get above this 13 on the 3, maybe you'll have some fun on it. But hold on. Yeah, no, there's no way. Bottom resistance now coming to support. 411 needs to hold the support. Well, it didn't though. It didn't. I mean, it was just wicking it here. If you get a candle close down below, it's gonna. I think you're very likely to test this 13. 3-minute traffic light though, don't hate it at all. Potentially breaking through a couple of these levels up here, maybe up to the 3-minute 200. That could get interesting. See, candle close below. Walmart about to hit some resistance. I mean, I used to trade a lot of Walmart, things like that, but I mean, the spreads are kind of shitty. Yeah, that's an interesting one here. Back to 411, just teetering. Nancy's trying to get above this 13. Let's see what it wants to do. I don't know. The key level, 411, 30, it's got a break. You do have a 3-minute traffic light, which does not look bad, especially off that little retest of the 13 here. I mean, why is it moving? Stop moving. Yeah, I mean, it's right there. Ooh, Nancy got it a little. Let's see. No thoughts on Walmart? I told you it's probably going to reject and come right back down. But either way, even if it hangs up out here, no trade. There's no trade on it. Like, why would you chase this thing above this resistance? Like, it's getting into the oh shit zone. It went from 152 to 150. That you caught a dollar move on it with thigh gap. All you guys in masterclass, if you're looking at Walmart, thigh gap on the 3-minute right here, you get to ride it from what? 152.09 all the way up to 153. Next resistance, bing, bang, boom, done. All right, here you go. Let's see. Back to the 48 here. Thoughts on Walmart headed there now? Jesus. Yeah, Jason. I mean, I'd be happy with that because I do have calls. So I'd be thrilled if that happened. But I'm not going to sit here and say, oh my God, it's going to go. It's just traffic light retest. Keep it simple. Keep it simple, stupid. Need pool chemicals? Well, there you guys go. Nancy couldn't stay above that 3-minute 13. Just got fucked. Just rimming down. Just rimming down. At 4:11:30. There we go. Let's see. Bro, I gotta call these fucking people. I got a cool video coming out later for you guys today, though. I got a really cool video for you guys. Probably gonna be a little bit of a short one, but it'll be a fun one. All right. Yeah, and make sure that you guys go watch that TLT video too. Pay attention or pay a premium. You do not want to miss that, bro. Is it another ankle video? No, and that was a picture, and that was an accident. All right, SPY above 411.30. Let's see if we can get this break. No, it don't make sense. It's only an accident once. Fair enough, man. Fair enough. All right, peeking. The leaked ankle shot. It's somewhere in market talk. I didn't realize I was doing that. It was an El Accidente. Let's see. All right, we got a couple of seconds left here on this 1 minute candle. You get a close above 411.30. That could be good. 8. There you go. Let's see. Is this going to be a close and shoot? Close and shoot. Close and shoot. Close and shoot. No, it didn't get it. So, team, it is 11 a.m. I got some videos I got to record for you guys. Again, make sure that you guys go watch the most recent video that I posted on the channel if you want to learn how you can potentially hit an over 10,000% gain. Again, there it is. It's out for you guys. You guys are going to learn a lot from that. And all of you guys that are interested in changing the way that you look at the market and trading, there's that link right there for you guys. Use code GAINS, GAINZ, to make sure you get your first free month. All you guys that still want to join Master, you guys know how to do that, man. You go into your subscriptions area, you click Get Master, and then you are all good to go. Team, I will see you guys later. Be on the lookout for a video.